Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a Sennheiser BT T100 Bluetooth audio transmitter and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it and delete all of the pairing information off of it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this device is not connecting to your Bluetooth, or if it keeps disconnecting, or if it's not pairing or syncing with your devices, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is if you are just trying to set this up on new devices and you want to wipe all of the pairing history off, just so you can get a fresh start, like you're taking this out of the box and setting it up new. It's very easy to do. All you want to do, you need to have power to it, and you're just going to come in and press and hold this button in the front for 10 seconds. Just hold, and after 10 seconds, the blue light here, indicator light here, will blink 5 times, and then the unit will turn off, at which point you can let go, turn the unit back on, and then you can go ahead and set it up like a new device.